how to use the smooth zoom slider while recording videos on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the recording button. And while recording, tap on this button here. It's the magnifying glass. So tap on that. And it will appear a zoom slider, so you can slide in. So you can see it will slide in slowly and smoothly. So just go gentle on the lock to move the slider bar to the left or to the right. So you can see I can zoom right in or right out. And yeah, you can slowly and smoothly zoom right in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.